Episode 64, Akash Network, the Cloud Rebel. Welcome to Episode 64 of Crypto Robbie. I'm Robbie, your host. I've been in crypto since 2013, when Bitcoin was the top dog and cloud computing meant leaning on giants like AWS or Google. Today, we're diving into a blockchain that's handing computing power back to the people. That blockchain is Akash Network. We're exploring Akash Network, known by its ticker AKT, which sits at number 64 in market cap on March 25th, 2025, with $959 million in value. At its core, Akash is a decentralized cloud platform built on Cosmos, powered by its AKT token. Let's unpack this rebel and see how it's reshaping the cloud. Akash Network launched in March 2021, founded by Greg Osuri and Adam Bozanich, a US-based duo fed up with big tech stranglehold. When I got into crypto, miners were burning through rigs to earn Bitcoin. Cloud computing was locked in centralized hands. Akash flipped the script, letting anyone rent out CPU and storage via a blockchain marketplace. They raised $2 million in a 2020 token sale, built on the Cosmos framework, and went live with a peer-to-peer vibe. By 2023, AI workloads started dominating the platform, and 2024 brought GPU rentals into the mix. This is a cloud disruptor with serious grit. So how does Akash Network operate? It's a protocol running on Cosmos, a layer 1 blockchain with proof of stake via Tendermint, capable of thousands of transactions per second. The AKTT token pays for computing resources, stakes providers, and governs through smart contracts. Users lease power from a decentralized pool, with nodes numbering in the thousands worldwide, fully open, no middlemen required. This setup creates a cloud market where anyone can play. What's the purpose of Akash Network? It's all about decentralized computing, offering CPU, GPU, and storage for applications, AI, and hosting at a fraction of the cost. The Akash marketplace connects renters to providers, while Akash Console helps manage it all. The ecosystem revolves around AKT and ties into Cosmos hubs, building a rebel cloud for the masses. Now let's see where Akash Network makes waves in the real world. A developer in the US ran an AI model renting GPU power with AKT and skipping AWS fees. A company in Europe hosted a website, cutting costs by paying with AKT. An Asian startup trained an AI system, using AKT to access cheap computing juice. Last year, a coder in Brazil leased storage space with AKT, settling the deal quickly. A miner in the UK rented out spare rigs, earning AKT for the extra capacity. An app in India streamed data, keeping it lean with AKT payments. And a global AI pool ran heavy workloads, slashing overhead with AKT-powered rentals. In simple terms, people use AKT to rent computer power for apps or AI, like a decentralized way to borrow a supercomputer without the big bills. The tokenomics of Akash Network stay solid. The total supply caps at 388 million AT, with 246 million circulating now, per your list. Half went to the public, while the team and ecosystem hold the rest. Providers earn yields around 10 to 15%. Inflation stays low and burns trim excess supply. It's a tight pool, with value driven by demand for computing power. Market history shows a steady climb with some swings. AKT debuted at 50 cents in 2021, peaked at $8 during 2021's boom, then dropped to 20 cents in 2022's bear market. Today, it's at $3.90. Securing that $959 million market cap at number 64, with a slight uptick last week fueled by AI buzz. The Akash community is a tech-savvy crowd. Thousands of users on platforms like our Akash Network and XSwapTricks for maximizing compute deals. Greg Osuri leads as the rebel voice, pushing for freedom from centralized clouds. Early provider lag in 2022 caused some glitches, but quick fixes kept trust alive. This is a nerdy group, obsessed with computing power. What does Akash Network offer? It delivers cheap, decentralized cloud resources, big tech's nightmare, and AI's best friend. However, its niche focus means it competes with Render's GPU edge. It needs broader use to dominate. This project is a rebel with real muscle. Looking to 2025, growing AI demand could lift AKT towards $6 if rentals keep climbing. Over the long term, it's a cloud king in the making, though scaling against rivals will be the challenge. Keep an eye on compute leases. They're the heartbeat of this project. From my 2013 perspective, a cash network is the cloud play I'd have loved back then. Power to the people with a crypto twist. Rent it, stake it, or track it, your move. Next up, we've got Gate Token on Crypto Robbie. Catch you then.